Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Holy Bible's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Holy Bible's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Holy Bible application. Log into your account and the home page of Holy Bible's account will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top right corner of the page. You will end up on the profile section of your Holy Bible's account. Click on three dots at the top right side of the screen and from the drop down click on sign out option. This is how you can log out of your Holy Bible's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.